Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X5 hood from the outside. First, locate the primary hood release lever, typically found in the driver's footwell near the door sill. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a click, and the hood will slightly pop up, indicating that the first latch is disengaged. This is the initial step to gaining access. Now move to the front of your BMW X5. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary latch. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to the side or pull it up. Once you operate this, the hood will fully unlatch, allowing you to lift it completely. With both latches released, gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Detach the prop rod and securely insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod and secure it back in its clip. Gently lower the hood until it's about 10 inches from fully closing. Don't just drop it. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood until you hear both latches click into place. Make sure to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This ensures your hood is securely closed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.